We got one motive today. Get an update on the Fast and Furious coaster over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Let's do it. Merry Christmas, everyone, by the way. Merry Christmas. Happy jubilation. Let's do this. It seems like the updates keep getting faster and faster out here at Universal Studios Hollywood. We have a new change that has happened in the construction site, and things are getting real. How real? That big crane right there. Holy macaroni. The only reason that crane is here because they're ready to start constructing the show building, ready to start constructing possibly some of the coaster track at some point in time in the nearby future. Some people have reached out on Twitter and said that it's being shipped out already from Europe. That actual track of this ride is being shipped out here. Let's see what it looks like. It's been raining, so maybe they've slowed down a little bit. But dude, imagine the maintenance, the cost to just even have this out here, that big crane. They ain't messing around. They're trying to get this done. We'll start seeing how things progress. January, February, March. Are they trying to open this roller coaster for 2024? Is that what they're trying to do? Or is this a 2025 thing? I don't know. They really haven't given us a hint or any idea of when this ride is going to open, but I think by like February, March, we're gonna get a good idea of how fast they're trying to get this thing done. Here it is. Wow. It is ginormous. And this crane is gonna be the one that's gonna be moving all the pieces to bring to life Fast and Furious roller coaster. Hopefully Universal provides more details or just give us some hints. Ride vehicle, maybe a little backstory. What's going on here, you know? But yeah, things have kind of slowed down because of the rain. So as you can see, mud everywhere. Not the best working conditions at all. The real interesting part are all these beams that have gone up. And when you're on that side, you could actually start seeing walls now where the show building is, I guess, all going to be. It's gone vertical. What is that out there in the distance? Yeah, it's just crazy how fast Universal moves. Just recently I got tagged as well on Instagram that lots of walls, I don't want to say all the walls, but lots of walls have gone up for HHN Las Vegas. So Universal and contractors, construction contractors, they ain't playing no games. They're trying to get stuff done. Can't say the same thing for Disney, right? They take forever and take forever on everything. Another thing that has landed is a crane on the backside. So we just saw the front side, which is the show building, entrance of it all. The roller coaster is going to be extending that way. And that's the reason that's there. So lots of moving pieces now being added to this project. Crazy. What do you guys think? Are they aiming for 2024? You're wondering what the wait times look like on Christmas Day? It's going to be a busy day. It's only 10 a.m. We know for a fact that the roller coaster is going to be going over this part of the escalators and doing some loopage action right here. Nothing just yet. I'm really trying to understand, is this going to all be construction area? Is this road going to still exist? Like, how's this all going to play out? There's not a lot of space over here. Here is the perspective from the escalators.
Children are not permitted to ride the escalator in strollers. Also, there is no smoking, please. As you step on the escalators, please stand in the center of the step.
I just can't believe we're gonna have a roller coaster looping right there. At least that's what we've seen in the concept art, you know. There's just not a lot of space right there. That's crazy.
Thank you.
And then I'll showcase the building that you can actually see right there. But this is it. This is what it's looking like. At least as of Christmas Day, December 25th. Wow, that's, we got some walls happening now. I don't know if those are permanent or temporary, but it's happening. Coming alive. One quick update to talk about Power Up Cafe. At least that's what the sign said before they took it down a couple weeks back. No real like construction update. They are doing this facade. Are they gonna theme it to Mario somehow? Like New York from Mario Bros? I don't know. Because you could almost say this is Illumination a little bit, right? Because Illumination Corner's over there. Oh, how you doing? Merry Christmas. We'll keep track of whatever this is. Hopefully this is a 2024 project, you know what I mean? Next year. Before we get out of here, I want to check out the Universal Universe store. Some new items have arrived. Check this out, a Raptor Running Club. It's clean. 80 for this one. Here we got a new hoodie with a Raptor. So I guess this is like a Raptor series maybe? What's this say? Air and Sea? Very clean. The price tag of this one, 80. So the hoodie's 80. And then we also got a long sleeve. That's pretty cool. Here's the front side with the T-Rex. The price tag of this one is 50. So 50 for the long sleeve. Wow, what is this? Huh. I also got a new t-shirt too. Wow. Got the long neck right there. This one's being sold for 40. I've never seen this before. It's called Tubs. It's heavy. Oh damn. Jaws. They got a lot of new stuff at Universal. Okay. I guess this is like an ice cream line with the Minions. It's a nice jacket for the rain right here. Ah, that's clean. Another hoodie. More ice cream. Buff Monster Minion. Okay. And more Felix. These are all like in the $80 range. 80, 40. That one's probably like in the 50. And then a jacket too. So you're a Felix fan, you gotta come to this store. This is at City Walk, it's outside the theme park. They got lots to choose from. I like that the store keeps dropping more and more new stuff. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. That is all for today. One more time, Merry Christmas, everybody. Let's have a strong finish to the year. We're gonna be live here at Universal Studios Hollywood for Eve, which is their celebration of the Z2 at the theme park. And shout out to Universal because I'm a Platinum Pass holder. It actually gives me a ticket to that After Dark event, essentially what it is. So stay tuned for that live stream for New Year's Eve. I'm excited to kick off the 2024 year in a great big fashion over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Smash that like button. We're firing it down.